Today we are touring a custom-built waterfront property on Nettles Island, Florida. It is sitting directly on the intercoastal of Indian River on the east wall, and it includes your very own dock, which was updated in 2023 with a 9,000-pound boat lift and composite decking. How gorgeous is this view, you guys? And it can all be yours. Other updates include a metal roof and gutters, exterior paint, exterior lighting, hurricane panel windows downstairs, impact-resistant exterior doors. The ground level holds your guest area with a full bath and efficiency kitchen. It also has direct access to the dock. Imagine the parties you could host here. Upstairs, we have the impact glass windows that were updated in 2023. It is an open floor plan, which makes entertaining a breeze. And check out all of this natural light. It's so beautiful and bright up here. The kitchen was also updated with granite countertops, and you also have stainless steel appliances. This is the primary bedroom, which is a very large size. The ensuite has a full washer and dryer. And just imagine waking up every morning being able to look at this view. It is east facing, so you would get to see the sunrise every morning.